everyone. My name is Brandon Faulkner. I'm an intern for VillageCore. For other events like this, be sure to check out villagecore.org or be sure to check out our YouTube channel in case you miss one of these meetings. Um, Today, we'll be discussing Groupon and the ability that it has to save you money, time, and energy whenever you're shopping. So the way that Groupon works is essentially you are buying a coupon. What I mean by this is that you are going through the Groupon website and you are acquiring a a kind of deal as we see here in front of us, and you are purchasing that deal in order to have for later. So as we can see here, if I were to click on, let's say I wanted to see what's trending today. So the way that Groupon works is that every single day a new deal will kind of refresh, and that deal will update to what you are looking for and in the same area. Groupon likes to work with small businesses or larger businesses in your local area to provide you with deals off on things such as food, entertainment, movies, groceries, anything of that nature you might be looking for, and you can find it using Groupon, and they update every single day. So here, let's say I want this J.C. Penney photography package. So here, I really want to get this photography package since the holidays are coming up, and my family likes to take those family photos. So here we have three digital images, which originally the price was $143, or I can now get it for $27, which is 81% off using Groupon. So the way that I would do this is I would either buy the deal now or I would add it to my cart. So I'm just going to add it to my cart for now just to show you guys how it works. So we can see here that I'm paying for that deal. I'm not paying the regular price of 139.94. I'm paying for the deal. So if I were to hit proceed to checkout, I would hit continue as guest since I don't have an account currently. And I could say, okay, everything I need to know. Um, here's everything I need to know for my item that I'm currently purchasing. So I'd say, okay, I want to purchase this item with my credit or debit card, or I can use Google Play to buy it. I would type out my billing address, I would type out everything else. And the most important thing in order to receive your deal is to type in your email. So the way that Groupon works is as soon as you're done placing your order, Groupon will not actually charge your card immediately. The way that it works is that if enough people buy into the Groupon, if enough people buy into the coupon that you currently have, then Groupon will send you an email saying, "Okay, here's your coupon. You're free to go use it now." If not a lot of people buy into the Groupon deal, then the Groupon deal will fall through. You'll get your money back. Actually, no money will be spent from your card, and you don't have to worry about it anymore. So the thing that Groupon likes to do is they like to make sure that that deal actually has enough people to send to those smaller businesses so that they can at the same time make money, so that Groupon can make money and that you save money. So their model is very different from other types of kind of coupon providers because normally with a coupon provider, they'd just send you the code and no matter what, you'd be able to go out. But Groupon is really trying to find a way that benefits everybody, not just the companies, not just themselves, but it benefits you, the companies, and themselves at the same time. So I would fill out all my information, I would put in my email, and then once that deal is actually made and once that deal has enough people that will go into the store and use the J.C. Penney photos, that's when they'll send me the Groupon, and that's when I'll be able to go through and I'll be able to scan the coupon. I'd be able to show it on my phone, and then I'd bring it to them and I'd say, "Hey, I have this Groupon. I want to use it. Here it is." And they would click it, and then we'd be all good. So I would type in my email, I'd type in my billing information, and then I'd place my order. And then once that limit of people is reached, once that minimum amount of people is reached, then Groupon will go through and give me that email, which is really nice. So here we also have some other things like we have some wine samplers that they're offering. They also have different kinds of trending gifts. So these are locations near my area, such as this kind of in-person painting class. There's also $15 for a $20 play at Dave and Buster's. There's outdoor photography shoots. There's things to discover like holiday countdown. So if I were to open today's gift, they are doing a gift every single day during the days leading up to Christmas, where you'd be able to open this up and you'd receive your own deal. See, here we go. We have 10% off food and drink. So if I were to go shopping, that means that I could see around for different kinds of deals that might be here. So as we can see here, there's different kinds of food and drinks. So let's say I wanted this wine here. I would be able to get that for cheaper since I now have a deal along with another deal. So Groupon really tries to find a way to make sure that you are having a nice experience and that you are getting the most for your money and that you are saving money. So here, once again, we have a ton of popular photo shoots for both family, pets, and other things of that nature. We also see there's also Sam's Club, different types of memberships. So if you're looking to save money on a membership, like up here we have a Costco membership for $60. Normally, Costco membership would be upwards of let's say 100 something dollars. With Groupon, I could save around $40 and get a $40 Costco shopping card along with that, which is very cool. So basically, I'm getting more for the amount that I pay because if I were to pay the couple $100 for a regular membership, I would not get a $40 Costco shopping card, and that just doesn't seem worth it to me. But if I were to go through Groupon and I were to use that deal, I'd receive both the membership and the $40 to spend at Costco, and now it's worth my while because not only am I saving money, I'm getting money in return that I can spend at Costco on things that I might need later down the road. Also, as we can see here, there's things like spa deals. There's boat tours for cruises. I can tour the Queen Mary. And there's also different kinds of excursions that you can do, like whale watching and wildlife watching. Normally this would be $58, but now with different kinds of codes and different kinds of savings, I can save tons of money on it, and now it would only be $29.92. There's also the skydiving. There's there's a ton that Groupon has to offer. And once again, it really just depends on who's going to these things. So if I really wanted to go whale watching, um, and I didn't know if a lot of people went to this, I might be able to say, okay, over 10,000 people have bought this gift. It's a popular gift. It's limited time. It has 4.8 ratings. There's over 1,000 Groupon ratings. I might say, okay, a lot of people have gone to this. The deal is currently active. I want to put my money into that, and I want this coupon so I can go whale watching with my family or something like that. So here we can see, I scroll down, I can see the best price, I can see what to expect. So there's tours for up to 6 people. So depending on size of what size of party you have, you can go through, get that gift. So you can see a little bit about the company, and then there's also good to know types of important information. And there's also the fine print here. So if you're looking and you think this might be too good of a deal, well, Groupon provides you the fine print, and you're always welcome to go check out the company's website to make sure and confirm with them that the deal is actually real and that you're not getting scammed. Even though Groupon does like to make sure that you aren't getting scammed, because if you did get scammed, then you wouldn't come back and they wouldn't be making money off of you. So these are all kinds of deals that you'd be able to see. There's customer reviews you can read through. You can sort by the highest rated to the lowest rated. to the most helpful and the most relevant and the also the top reviewers. So this is a great experience, um, very easy to use. So as we can see here, if let's say I want to go tour, let's say I want to go tour with two people. So me and a friend might want to go out on the water, go whale watch for 3 hours, and I don't really want to pay $116 because that is a lot of money for me. So I might say, okay, $57 is a good deal. But then once again, there's also the extra promo code, so I can apply that promo code, and now that deal would be $54.72. So there, once again, I save money. I could hit buy now, and it goes straight into my cart. I can hit continue as guest, or I can create an account. And here we can see that I have applied my promo code and I've saved a little bit of money. And then also I can go down here and I can see, okay, I don't want these photos anymore. I want to remove these photos. You could absolutely do that. Now it's back to the original price that I mentioned, which is 54.72, which means I saved a total of $61.28 today in order to go out with my friend and whale watch, which Groupon is amazing for that. So once again, it'll just send me an email with the code that I need in order to show the business. And then once again, I have everything I need in order to go out and whale watch. So also there's other things like if you're looking to wind down, if you're somebody who's super stressed out, or if you're somebody who's having some issues with pain, there's also massages. So you can get massages, you can book with these different kinds of places around you. It really just depends where you are. So let's say since Groupon is pinning on my current location as San Diego, let's say I don't live in San Diego anymore. Let's say I moved all the way to Boston. So depending on what city you're in, the deals will change. These deals will kind of stay the same up here because these are the trending deals for today. They can be applied to anywhere. But here we can see kind of like the trending Groupon places that might be around you. So once again, there's popular photo shoots. There's also facial massages, there's Botox, a lot of other things on here, just dependent on your area. So Groupon works with a ton of different cities and a ton of different businesses all around the United States and the world, actually, to ensure that you have a good deal on anything, on any excursions, any entertainment, any food, anything like that, you might be able to find a Groupon for. So Groupon is really nice. You can sort it into categories. So if you're not looking for a local overview of like everything, you can kind of dig deeper and kind of narrow down your search for what you're looking for. So if you want a gym membership, if you want weight loss, if you want dental, vision, if you want automotive, if you want makeup, tanning, nightlife, other things like that, or if you want bath and body, men's clothing, electronics, things of that nature, or even hotel and travel. So let's say I want to find an all-inclusive trip with Groupon. So here we can see, okay, I want a quick getaway. I want an 8-day trip to Italy. So as we can see here, we can view the deal. Um, this deal's almost $1,000, dependent on where I'm trying to fly out of. Let's say I want to fly out of DC, and let's say I want to fly out of these random dates. And here we can see my price for those dates, which that's the total cost that will cost you for an 8-day trip to Venice, with air and trains, and other things of that nature. And I believe if I read the finer print, each person must buy a voucher. Prices based on two people traveling. Additional, choose package from drop-down menu. So here we have the entire kind of like overview. So they're providing hotel accommodations. And there's the finer print here. as well. And it also shows you a map of where you'll be staying, the local places in around the area that you'll be able to check out, and other things of that nature. So this is just a really easy way to kind of find deals on trips, either find deals on other things of that nature. Um, and just really anything that you might be looking for, there might be a Groupon. So if you want to go to Cancun, if you really want that 4-day trip to Cancun for only $800, this might be the deal for you. Select your departure city. So let's say I want to leave from LAX since it's relatively close, since I live in San Diego. Let's say I want to pick the cheapest day, which would be this day. So I'd leave on the 4th. And here we can see all the photos that are included, the hotel that I'll be staying at. This is a very nice hotel. I can go through, I can see that there are some amenities, some things that I can see around town, things that I can do in Cancun. And this is an overall stay that might be interesting towards me. And I might want this deal. So I'd book it with Groupon, and then they would send me once again those vouchers, and I'd be able to use them once I arrive. So other than that, I don't really have anything else to offer with Groupon. Actually, I do have one more thing. You can actually sell your coupons on Groupon. So the way that you do this is you fill out your business name. So say you have a business and you want to provide people with Groupons in order to attract business, but at the same time make yourself money. You can upload your name, upload the business address, put in all your information, select the category, select kind of what deal you're trying to provide, and then Groupon will reach out to you and they will negotiate a deal with you. And then you can later set that up so that people are attracted to your business and then you can get business flowing once more. So other than that, there's nothing really much else for me to add. So once again, my name is Brandon Faulkner. I'm an intern for Village Core. For other events like this, be sure to check out villagecore.org or check out our YouTube channel in case you miss these meetings. Thank you so much for watching.